Okay, we're going to see what some new trunk struts will do for the GTO. Right now, they don't do much of anything. You hold the trunk open up there. Anything beyond about there, it just comes down. It's going to slam pretty hard. So we're going to replace them with some StrongArm struts. They're 4607. These are actually listed for a Lincoln in the 80s of some sort, but they're the same size, same draw, and apparently they're a lot stronger. So we'll see how they turn out. Okay, that's with just one of them installed. So looks like we're doing pretty well so far. I would imagine with two installed it'll be no trouble at all when it wants to open. Oh boy, I can feel it right now. Anything above there, it's just gonna open on its own, which is okay by me. Make sure the key's not in the trunk. Never had a problem with mine popping open, at least. But boy, I just touch it and up it goes. It even slows itself down as it reaches the top, which is kind of nice, so it doesn't twang up there real hard. Nice. All right. I'm pleased with that. Thanks.